How to fix DtsApo4Service.exe has stopped working in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Malware can interfere with system processes like DtsApo4Service.exe. Running a thorough scan can detect and remove any malware. Choose Microsoft Defender Offline Scan and click Scan Now. Your computer will immediately reboot and begin a deep scan. Outdated or corrupt audio drivers may cause the issue. Keeping these drivers updated ensures the smooth operation of audio processes. Select Search automatically for updated driver software and follow the prompts. Restart your system to implement changes. Windows comes with built-in troubleshooting tools designed to automatically detect and fix a variety of issues, including those related to audio output. Running the audio troubleshooter can potentially fix issues. If that didn't work, sometimes, the DTS software itself may have issues that lead to DtsApo4Service.exe crashes. Reinstalling the software can reset any problematic settings or corrupted files.